What's up, everybody? Get a mic, don't I? Well, what's up, everybody? My name's Ty, and today we're talking about all things Safemoon and what's new in the space. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, comment down below. Before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm definitely not a professional. I just do this to keep you involved in the Safemoon community. Now, with that said, let's get into it. Today we were talking about Safemoon, and we had an interesting article over here from Watcher.guru talking about how high will Safemoon version 2 go if this powerful bullish signal becomes active. So we've seen some really exciting movement in the past couple of days from Safemoon. And so if we continue these trends, we could see some really incredible movement, the kind of stuff that we've been looking for the past couple of months. So let's read this article here to get a little bit more information on what is going on. They said Safemoon's version 2 price has enjoyed an uptrend since mid-May, with prices rising as much as 290%, which is wild. If anybody from outside of the Safemoon community sees these kinds of numbers, they're going to be wanting to get in, and that is a reason that I love that Watcher.guru is writing about Safemoon, is because they have a network that's outside of Safemoon that they will reach as well with this kind of information. By the way, like and subscribe down below, leave a comment because that helps hit the algorithm, and then this video will reach some more people as well. Moving on, with the daily chart presenting bullish signals and potential golden crossover in store, Safemoon was open to a 36% rally over the next few weeks. Up until mid-May, the narrative for Safemoon version 2 was strikingly similar to other alts in the market. The price continued to slump to the new bottoms amidst a bearish border market cycle and tagged a 4-month low on 12th of May. However, the counter response from bulls was strong. Since touching monthly lows, the price rallied as much as 290% from 0.3026 to 0.201, its largest rally since January. And we haven't seen that much last year either, only maybe once or twice something that big. However, bullish momentum appears to have slowed down following a 22% daily correction on 26th of May. The last 6 days resulted in 3 red candles and a fourth was currently in development. With that said, there are still a few reasons to remain optimistic. So here we go. Firstly, the candles were placed above a supporting trend line, which means that Safemoon's uptrend potential remains intact despite the recent slowdown. Secondly, the 21 period moving average was about to shift past the 55-day moving average. The development, typically referred to as a golden crossover, is a powerful bullish market signal which indicates the start of a long-term uptrend. So that is great. We have this golden crossover, and it's a powerful bullish market signal which indicates the start of a long-term uptrend. Finally, the daily relative strength index has stabilized from outbought levels and maintained ground above 50 to 55. Generally speaking, RSI reading above 55 indicates a bullish market, and the same helps in attracting more buy orders. So, and then we have how to buy Safemoon version 2 right here. So Watch.guru is trying to reach people outside of the Safemoon network, which is amazing. But we have some great bullish uptrends showing right now, and I think that we are expecting Safemoon to continue climbing and to continue going up in spite of this bearish market. If we go over here, we can see that Safemoon's price is sitting at 0.3073. We're down 4.3% currently, exactly what they were talking about. But in the 14-day range, we're looking at 56.2% in the positive, and I think so. We're definitely making our way back up, despite where everything else is right now. If we look at, let me reset this really quickly just to make sure we're up to date. If we look at Bitcoin, it's sitting at 31,449, down 0.4%, so it's about the same as yesterday. Right now, 3.2% up in the 14-day range. Hopefully, we're going to see some positive momentum from Bitcoin in the coming days. BNB sitting at $315 still. So as we see some movement from them, I think we'll see a little bit of that spill over, but I think we've proven over the past couple of days more than ever that Safemoon does not have to be completely driven by the other big boys in the market. We obviously can move ourselves just fine. Proving that, over here we've got Safemoon number 4, coined by social activity from the BNB chain ecosystem. We are still one of the top dogs on the BNB blockchain. We are still looking for that Binance listing, which will make a massive difference. But We don't need it to survive. Safemoon over here, part of our roll up, we have completed the final stages of our pre-flight checks on swap and evolve. That means that the Safemoon army got an extra swap and evolve ahead of time. That one you've been tracking will continue as planned as well. Happy Tuesday. So we got 2 swap and evolves equaling almost 40,000 together, a little bit more than $40,000 together, which is incredible. So instead of seeing these big sells in the Safemoon price, these $500,000 sells, we're seeing these small $24,000 buys coming in, investing into the liquidity pool. So it is great to see that, and it's going to be more encouragement to new buyers and sellers. Over here, it's on the Safemoon.education portal. We did have something from Microsoft Word exploit Felina. So they posted this on their Twitter account, just warning people in the Safemoon community about this. There was a scam going around, and so this is something to look into. I just wanted to mention that really quickly. We had a post over here from CZ Binance. This is something that I cannot read correctly, but I'll try it. Ihomi este un resao pesant. I thought this was kind of interesting, so I was looking up what this meant. I'm always looking for reasons to think that he is secretly talking about Safemoon, and it is nothing about Safemoon. It's just a book that he is reading, a brief explanation that I thought was kind of interesting. Blaise Pascal, a writer, philosopher, inventor, mathematician, etc., used the term resao pesant to define the human condition. Literally, resao pesant means thinking reed. It describes humans' duality, which we are fragile, mere reeds. However, we think, which gives us nobility. We are therefore miserables. Yeah, I think that's how you say that. In that we are frail and die, which is how the reed is perceived by La Fontaine. But thought, our ability to think, makes us grands. In La Fontaine, the reeds bend but do not break. So I just thought that was kind of interesting, and that is what CZ meant by this tweet. He was referring to that author, so I'm assuming he's reading that book or something. But I thought that was kind of interesting. We had a couple of community posts that I put up recently that I thought the results were kind of interesting here. I said, POV, Safemoon hits $1. What do you do? This is on the YouTube polls. We got 96 votes, and 7% said sell it all. 46% said sell half of it, 46% said hold all of it and get reflections, and 1% said other. So I thought that was kind of interesting that a lot of people are going to sell half of what they've got, and then some are going to be holding. So it's mostly a lot of people holding on for those reflections, and I think that is showing, you know, where people really put their value in the Safemoon project. They believe in the project as a whole and as a long-term investment, that they can hold reflections and stick with it and that sort of thing. And I think that's why that we've seen such a stable price in Safemoon at the same time, is because people believe in the reflections and the long-term longevity of it. So I think that's really doing something in our favor right now. So that is going to be it for the video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got something out of the video, please like and subscribe. Comment down below to support the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Not necessarily. She could be stuck just inside the tube.
Inside the... Hold on!